Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the audio is in M4R format and stored in Icloud Drive. This avoids later conversion steps. Open Files, navigate to the song or export, and make sure it's fully downloaded to the device. Once done, connect your iPhone to a Mac or use GarageBand on the iPhone because iOS needs an app to import M4R into ringtones. Make sure you remain signed into the same Apple ID so the file syncs correctly. Now import the file. If you use GarageBand on the iPhone, create a new audio recorder project and import from Files Icloud Drive. On a Mac, drag the M4R into Finder's Tones section when connected. Trim the clip to 30 seconds or less, adjust start point and levels, and then export or share as ringtone. You do this so iOS accepts the file. Naming it clearly helps you find it in settings later. Finish by opening Settings, tapping Sounds and Haptics, and choosing your newly exported ringtone from the top of the list. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file was exported as M4R and under 30 seconds, then re-export from GarageBand or Finder. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and toggle iCloud Drive off and on so Files refreshes. This often forces the ringtone to surface. If necessary, re-download the tone directly to Files and repeat the export process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.